Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to make your Power BI reports stand out and impress your colleagues or clients, today's tutorial is going to show you a quick and easy way to add a custom background image to your Power BI canvas. By the end of this video, you'll know not only how to import a great-looking background, but also how to customize it for your specific needs, so your reports look polished, professional, and uniquely yours. Let's jump right in and start transforming that blank canvas. Now, to kick things off, we're going to use Figma for our background images. Figma is an awesome free tool that's not just for designers. Anyone can hop in and find pre-made backgrounds or personalize one with just a few clicks. Of course, if you prefer, you could search for background images using Google or any other resource, but today we'll stick with Figma to keep things simple and flexible. And if you're feeling creative, remember you can always design your very own background from scratch in Figma too. So get started by heading over to Figma and logging in. Once you're there, look for the Templates and Tools section. This is kind of like walking into a craft store. There's a ton of creative resources at your fingertips. In the search bar, type in background and browse through the options. There's a wide variety, from subtle gradients to bold patterns, so take your time to find one that fits the vibe of your report. If you want your report to feel modern and clean, maybe go for something geometric or minimalist. If you're presenting sales numbers, maybe a subtle corporate blue background would work well. Once you found a background that you like, click on it and then choose Open in Figma. At this point, you can really make the background your own. Figma lets you change up the colors, tweak the patterns, or even add your company logo if you want. So don't be afraid to experiment a little. Even small adjustments can help the design fit your report perfectly. If it's your first time customizing in Figma, just play around with the color picker or try resizing elements. You really can't break anything, and sometimes happy accidents make the best designs. When you're happy with how it looks, it's time to export it. Go ahead and export your background as a PNG file. PNG is a great choice because it keeps your image crisp and clear, exactly what you want for a professional presentation. If the export settings trip you up, just make sure you're choosing the right resolution and format. Figma's export tool is pretty straightforward, but take a moment to double-check your choices. Next, let's bring that background into Power BI. Open up your report and click anywhere on the canvas where you want the background to appear. Head over to the right-hand pane and look for Format Page. Inside Format Page, you'll see the option for Canvas Background. Click Browse and select your PNG file, and voila, your new background pops right in. Here's a small tip. Under Image Fit, choose Fit so your background stretches to fill the canvas nicely without getting cropped or distorted. If it doesn't look quite right the first time, don't worry. It sometimes takes a moment to get everything positioned perfectly, so feel free to adjust and re-upload if needed. Now your Power BI report is looking lively and engaging, and you can go ahead and arrange your visuals right on top of that beautiful background. It's amazing what a personalized touch like this can do to make your report more inviting and easier to understand. And that's all there is to it. Simple, but it makes a real difference. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any questions about customizing Power BI, drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Make sure you subscribe for more easy-to-follow tips just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.